Okay, I'm in CC2. This is section 2.2.2, number 2-51. So we're looking at representations of positive, negative number expressions. So we've got the visuals, and we need to come up, we have the sketches, and we need to actually come up with a value as well as what expression it represents. So if we look at what I'm looking here. So this gives me, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positives. So this would be positive 5 plus, and I have 1, 2, 3 negatives, negative 3. So that expression is 5 plus negative 3. And then if we're looking at simplifying this sketch, simplifying it, remember, is to take a positive negative pair and cancel it out. So there's one positive negative pair, that'll cancel. There's another positive negative pair, that'll cancel, and then there's another one, that'll cancel. So then the question is, what's left is two positives. So 5 plus negative 3 is positive 2. All right? So there's A. So I'll go ahead and just look at B because it's the same image, similar type of image. And again, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 positives plus 1, 2, 3, 4 negatives. So this, in this case, it's 4 plus negative 4. And if I'm looking at my pairs of positive negatives, there's a pair, there's a pair, there's a pair, and there's a pair. In fact, they're all paired out, and so there's no longer any other numbers or symbols around, so all of that cancels to be 0. So 4 plus negative 4 is 0. And then over here we have a number line, a couple number lines to look at. So our starting point, follow the arrow. So 4 is our starting point. So this represents 4 plus what? I'm going in the direction towards the negative, so it's going to be a negative number. What number am I adding? I'm adding a negative 6 to this. So it's 4 plus negative 6, which is equal to negative 2. So this direction is minus 6. Negative 6. So now I'm going in the positive direction, and I'm starting at negative 4, and I'm going in a positive. How far do I go? I go to 3. So if I count, I could look at this by just counting each of these spaces and determining what it is. And we have it's going in a positive direction of 7. So it's negative 4 plus 7. And my final answer is equal to 3. Okay, there you have it.